good value but a little far from the center. The staffs are friendly. The rooms are clean and comfortable. The location can be a little far from the city center. It may not be easy to find as the direction is not very clear. Premier Classe Le Mans Ouest, Universite, a charming 2-star hotel in the heart of Le Mans. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and affordability at Premier Classe Le Mans Ouest, Universite. Situated in the vibrant city of Le Mans, France, this charming 2-star hotel offers a delightful stay for both business and leisure travelers. With its prime location, Premier Classe Le Mans Ouest, Universite provides easy access to the city's main attractions, including the famous Le Mans circuit and the enchanting Old Town. Whether you're here to explore the rich history, indulge in the local cuisine, or attend a thrilling race, this hotel serves as an ideal base for your adventures. Featuring 69 well-appointed rooms, Premier Classe Le Mans Ouest, Universite offers a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere for guests to unwind after a busy day. Each room is thoughtfully designed with modern amenities and stylish decor, ensuring a pleasant stay for every visitor. From cozy single rooms to spacious family rooms, there is a suitable accommodation option for everyone. Check-in at Premier Classe Le Mans Ouest, Universite begins at 4:30 p.m., allowing you to settle in and make yourself at home. The friendly and attentive staff will be there to assist you throughout your stay, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Checkout is until 11 a.m., giving you ample time to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or pack your belongings at your own pace. Please note that while children are welcome at this hotel, there may be extra charges involved. The child policy is designed to provide a comfortable and enjoyable stay for all guests. For more information on the specific charges and policies, please contact the hotel directly.